Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see LNT results and its support and resistance levels. Friends, we are already seen this stock from 800 onwards. When it around trading on 800, I mentioned in my YouTube channel to hold to fresh entries also possible at these levels and it having future in going forward. And from 800 to it given like 100% returns, and again some covid reasons and all the things, it went from 1500 to below levels. If you see here, from 1565 to covid second wave, it went really to 1300 below. Like if you see here, it's near to 1280s friends. And friends, it having support here. I already mentioned it having support in this range, and from there it moved up again. From 1300 it moved up. Whenever it's having a support, so it will move up automatically. The buyers will come friends. At that level the buyers will come if the newses and all the things will give positive for the company. It automatically moves up. And one thing what we are going to see is the company results which post by the LNT today. And first we are going to preview the Q4 results, which was published today, May 14th morning. Friends, the company, so many analysts are predicting like 18% year on year margin. And going forward they given like some expectations also on this stock. They are thinking that the company's net profit will be 3600 for the quarter and up 12%, like from 3200 previous quarter. But now it missed this HDFC estimation. And the December quarter major posted 2400. And next one is with a strong order book, 45,000 crores in Q4 financial 21, the focus on liquidity. So the revenue 47,764 crores. So it up 8%. So as this Reliance expected, it moved up. So now we are going to see actual results of the company. If you see here, 3,300 nearly, but they said they want like 3,600, but it missed the estimation by one of the reputed brokerages. But friends, still it posted 3% rise in net profit and announced dividend 18 rupees. And the quarterly revenue also looks very good, 48,000 crores, and compared with last year 44,000 crores and up 8%. And it means it given a good number compared with last March. And what we are going to see is quarter to quarter and last year to this year. If you observe closely, it given a good numbers. But friends, during covid second wave, and already there are some newses regarding with the vaccinations and all the things. So we all take on consideration. What we are going to see is the posted results of this company looks good, not an extraordinary, but looks good. And the rally which it given from 1300 to 1420 today is okay for the exception, for the rally which the share given for the quarterly results. But friends, I am expecting the share will move up to 1500. That's it. For less than like 1500 will be the resistance in my view. So we are going to see the share value in a nearby at 1500, and it will take 1350 as the support friends. Why? Because the company's results looks good. So that's why I am like seeing it will post a good revenues and everything. And previously itself it given like movement 1600 itself, but I am expecting 1500 here. which will going to be near, but I am expecting going forward if lockdowns will remove, uh, the first share which going to rise means L&T. Why? Because it is having that much of capability and order book and everything. If you see here, the order book also looks very good for the company. And see here, the revenue up like this much, and they already mentioned the order book also for this company in this. So no, there is no order book. But when still I am looking very good on this company. Particularly 1500 will be the next move for the stock, friends, and it will take 1360 as the support level. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, friends. Thank you.